hey, let's make some chicken McNugget squishies. Okay, you can see right here I have the image printed out. It's already cut with my silhouette. And I'm going to go ahead here using the packing tape and cover the entire image, leaving some on the sides. I used about 3 strips of tape there. And then I turn the item over and I just press down on the paper. Then I go ahead here and I cut the excess, still leaving a margin so that the tape can be folded over when I go ahead and put them together. So now I'm going to take this and I'm going to go around the whole image, except for the bottom where I'll stuff it. I'm going to go around the whole image and cut little slits so that the tape easily folds over, still keeping the shape of the actual chicken McNugget there. And I'm cutting, and I'm cutting. I didn't do the bottom because that's where I'll be stuffing it. So now I'm going to go ahead here and put the back side on. And I'll line it up, make sure that it fits good. And then I'll go ahead one by one, putting all the tape strips over the one side there. And this is just connecting the 2 pieces of paper to make the squishy. And I pull tight and press down. Pull tight, press down around the whole image, except for the bottom again, because that's where we're going to be stuffing, and then that I will tape last. Alright, so I go ahead and it's open a little bit. I'm finishing up my tape. Alright, so now you see here I'm just opening it up a little bit to make sure to get the polyfill in. So I'm going to go ahead and get the polyfill. I took 2 clumps, stretched it out, then put it together, stretched it out, and put it together. And then I'm going to go ahead and put it in there and stuff it to the bottom first. Sometimes I use a pen or a chopstick to make sure that the polyfill gets all the way in. Now here, see, I'm doing it with the pen because that's all I had available at the time. And I'm just going to go put it in the corners or up at the top where I can't reach. And at the same time, I'm pressing it down just to get it to try to stay and make sure I'm not busting any seams there. And then I keep going until I got the desired thickness. Keep going. Alright, so there is still some tape there that I didn't cut originally, remember? So I'm going to go ahead and fold it over and get a loosely fitting tape. And then I went and I took my Scotch tape and I did the 2 sides. And then I took a piece of packing tape and just did a little bit more of the bigger part to make sure it was totally sealed. And then there you go, it squishes, it looks cute. It's a chicken McNugget for a Halloween squishy. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.